Welcome to Jamaica.
2521, clear to land, runway 07, wind calm.
Subject 2521.
Location Alpha, requesting the number.
And I believe it's 13, just 25.
The Alpha Echo Fox, 13, monitor ground frequency 110.7.
Echo Long to the gate, monitor ground, just 2521.
17, tall, Roger. Cleared to land, runway 07, wind 110 degrees, 6 knots.
JetBlue 1127, we're passing 3000 RNAV 10.
1127, thanks for tower. Good morning. Continue approach runway 07.
Hey, copy, looking for traffic, and continue approach for now, JetBlue 1127.
1127, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 13 knots.
Land runway 07, JetBlue 1127.
127 on time 07 vacate Bravo, request your gate number.
Central 1127. Central 1127.
Confirm that's 10.
I affirm 10.
Taxi Alpha Echo to gate 10, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha Echo to 10, ground 121.7, JetBlue 11275.
2522, confirm the frequency.
Fine. T2, we're up on 1875.
Ready?
2522.
Code for takeoff runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 120.
That is JetBlue 2522.
Route 2522 of 1090, contact radar 120.8. Have a good day.
0.8, JetBlue 2522, you as well.
American 863, San Stella, Roger. Purple takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, American 863.
Straight winds 379er, correction, straight winds 377er, San Stella, good morning. Continue approach, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
01377.
Clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Runway 07 is Spirit Wind 3779er.
An 863, airborne 38, contact radar 120.8 today.
0.8, today, American 863, CL.
3779er, say the gate.
It's gate 6, Berlin 3779er.
Alpha, gate 6, 1 to ground, 12171 clear.
Bravo Alpha to gate 6 and ground 121.7, Berlin 3779er. 09er, good morning with you, approach 4407, waiting for dispatch.
2709er, down to Tower Roger. Clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
Eagle 707, west at 7709.
Airborne 44, contact radar 120, decimal, good day.
Hey, 120, let's just 2709, good morning with you, 07.
906, Tango Tower, good morning, continue approach, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 179.
Continue approach for 07 American.
60 degrees, 16 knots.
Cleveland 07 American 996.
Quebec 419, the bus on Port runway 7 on Alpha, ready for departure.
190 Lima Golf, 9 up and 8, runway 07. Vehicle via taxi Alpha, say the gate.
Via Alpha, going to gate 10 for American 996.
906, Alpha, Echo Gate 10, monitor down 12171 clear.
Clear to gate 10, monitor ground American 996.
419 Lima Golf, clear to take off runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 07, Quebec 419, the bus.
Tower Sterling 833 on the RP07.
J22, thanks, 7 morning, continue approach, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Can you runway 07 to 833?
Wind 822, take the line, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
0.7, Fairway 833.
419 Lima Golf, Airborne 57, contact radar 120, decimal, good day.
Port good day, Quebec 419, the bus.
Tower, good day, Air Canada 982 with you, our nav, runway 07.
Hey, 2 Tower, good morning. Continue approach, runway 07, wind via 50 degrees, 15 knots.
Okay, take the approach, Air Canada 982. JetBlue 380, ready to take off runway 07.
Turn 033 on a time on the hour, Zurich Alpha, ground 121.7.
21.7, fairway 833, good morning.
30, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up way 07, JetBlue 380.
07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots, windy.
07, JetBlue 380.
Canada 82, Canada 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Land 07, Air Canada 982.
JetBlue 380, 102, contact radar 120, estimate, 8 today.
21 good day, JetBlue 380. Good morning, Copa 146 on the RMP runway 07.
146, Santa Fe, continue approach.
Approach Copa 146. The wind?
060 degrees, at 15 knots.
With the direction?
060 degrees.
Okay, somebody, yeah.
Canada 82 on a time at 07, Zurich Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
We'll vacate Alpha, contact ground point 7 in Canada 982.
6 wind 060 degrees, 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 07 for Copa 146. Hey, JetBlue 2427, runway 7.
2427, tower, continue approach.
Approach JetBlue 2427.
Touchdown time 086 Alpha, ground 121.7.
Taxiway Alpha on 21.7. Property, good day.
W2427, wind 050 degrees 15 knots, ground to line runway 07.
427, clear to land, 07.
Sangster Tower, Delta 1955, RNP, runway 7.
Delta 1955, Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Same Delta 1955.
W2427, on down 11 basic Alpha, ground 121.7.
7 on Alpha, through 427.
1955, wind 050 degrees 16 knots, ground to line runway 07.
And on 07, Delta 1955.
On down 1 to state Bravo, and background 12.7.
Located at Bravo, decimal 7, Delta 1955.
Sangster Tower United 1462, we're on the RNAV RC runway 7.
United 1462, Tower Roger, wind 050 degrees 15 knots, go to line runway 07.
And runway 07, United 1462.
46 Joe and time 22, vacate Bravo, correction, vacate Alpha, contact ground 12.7.
Alpha and ground, 0.7, United
360, fuel, RFC operational wind 07, inform approach, goodbye.
360, thanks to Tower, wind 060 degrees 16 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Present request to land runway 07, so 360.
Southwest 918 for runway 7.
4360 on a time of 28, vacate right taxi Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Quebec is the Bravo 121.7, so 360.
West 918, Tower, wind 060 degrees 16 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Land runway 07, Southwest 918.
Southwest 9018, thanks to Tower, arrived at 32, vacate via taxi Bravo, contact ground 121.71, clear. 907, thanks to Tower, hold short 107. Yankee Juliet Tango Charlie arrived at 33, vacate via taxi Delta, contact ground 121.71, clear.
Delta 21.7, Charlie.
Southwest 907, thanks to Tower, wind 060 degrees at 16 knots, cleared for takeoff runway 07.
7, that was 907.
07 airborne 35, contact thanks to radar 120.8, have a great flight.
20.8, good area, Dodge, 906. Thanks to Tower, Rescue 2116 on the RMP 07.
2116, thanks to Tower, continue approach runway 07 to the 5 mile final.
5 miles, approach, 2116.